Okay, so the question was, if you didn't hear it, was from earlier today, where I had talked about, I had said that I think it's undervalued when somebody says, "I'll see you tomorrow." I think we don't give that enough credit, because what that really says, if one person says that to another person, they're really saying, I'll be taking time out of my day tomorrow to see you, with my eyeballs. And I think that should be a really exciting thing. And all too often it's, see you tomorrow, yep, see you tomorrow. And for me, my students know this, when they say to me, see you tomorrow, Mike. I say, yeah, you will. You'll see me tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. Woo! Yeah! And it's exciting for me.